Hello guys, on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove Google account verification on your itel E13. So let's get started. First, insert some card into your phone, and after inserting some card, it will help us do the trick. So here, you click on Wi-Fi network, connect to a Wi-Fi network. Here I have a Wi-Fi network, so I just have to type in the password. After typing in the password, it automatically check for update. Checking for update, and it will ask to enter our previous PIN or enter our Google account verification, which we don't know. So as you can see, they say we should enter our previous Google account, and you can see I don't know 1 2 3 4. As you can see, I don't know the password. Let's use Google instead. And as you can see, we do have a Google account application. We don't know, there is no escape button, but after we finish the procedure, we will have a escape button that you will be pressing on to skip all the process. So all you have to do is to move back. So on the home screen, click on country, then you need to change our country to this country. I don't know the country, but choose that country, then choose this one, and then click get started, click start, click back again, then choose the Wi-Fi, click add. So here you see now we have a globe symbol over there, so click on it, then click on this, click on it, then click here, then click on the 3 dots, then click the second one. I don't know the name, that's why I'm not mentioning the name. You click on this one, click on that one. So after clicking on it, wait for it to load. After it has display, click on share, then click Gmail. Wait for the Gmail to pop up. Click skip. I know that one is skip, so click here, then click that part, type in any Gmail dot. Just type this. Let's make it here at. So you click the let me type in the Gmail correctly. So you can see, after typing in the Gmail, click here, then click exchange. So scroll, then click this thing here. As you can see, click on it, then you see set up a pin. I don't know which one to choose, but I know this one. So click on pin, then type in. You see, first I entered 04, it did not work, so this time I'm going to type in the 04, and it will work. I don't know what I'm trying to press. 1 2 3 4. Click OK, and now you can see we now have locks on our phone. As you can see, we now have lock on our phone. So all you have to do is to move back, change the language to the normal language, English language. Just keep on moving back because we don't need this thing anymore. Keep pressing the back button. So here you click on, sorry, I need to change the language back to English. So now you click on start. Click on the start, wait for it to check for the update. So click setup new. So it will ask for we to enter our password. So here we type in the 04. Enter the password that you input over there. So here we just wait for it to bring the Google account verification on. Then we click on skip to skip the part. So boys, remember this channel is Guru Boy. Remember to subscribe to get updates on my latest videos, and you can even let me know if you need any help on other devices. I'm there to help. So now you do have skip button over there. Click on it and click skip. So type in your name if you wish to. Click next, more, accept, no thanks, and then finish it. That is, you are done. Your phone is going to work, and you can see everything is working perfectly. Click settings, then let's check. Yeah, we do have itel A14, and this trick also work on itel A13 also. Let me check out, see updating cancel. So that's it, friends. Remember to subscribe to my channel. The name is Guru Boy, and please like the video if they help you out. Thanks for watching.